Yeah, yeah. I'm also live on YouTube. I am also live on YouTube, guys. Uh, Thanks, Kate, for liking. Thanks for. Yeah, thanks so much. Thanks so much. So we also live on YouTube, so we can continue, guys. Okay. So this is our gold market, guys. This is how our gold market is at the moment. You can see. So so it's kind of like a trap. Yeah. So this was CPI last week. This was CPI. So let me show you something here. Yeah, yeah, confirm to me, guys. Confirm to me if you were able to trade CPI last week. Yeah, just confirm to me if you were able to trade CPI last week, guys. Like, did you apply? Did you apply the did you apply the strategy that I was teaching you for the news, guys? Were you able to apply the strategy that I was able to teach you, guys? Beche nasema didn't trade the news. Okay, let's see together. Let's see together, guys. So this was a last week CPI. That's it. So this was a last week CPI news, guys. It was a review their strategy. Okay. So this was a CPI last week strategy. Are you seeing, guys? So this is our last week CPI, and I don't know if someone traded. I don't know if someone was able to trade the CPI. So this one was 430. So we said we were coming to trade at what time? Let me see in the comments. What time did we say we are coming to trade? At what time of the or at what time? If the news is 430, confirm to me. If the news is 430, at what time are we marking that the high and low of that candle of the previous candle? Yeah, confirm to me. Yeah, just confirm to me. Yeah, confirm to me. What time of the day are we marking our high and low of that candle of the previous candle? Yeah, let me see. Let me see. At what time of the day are we marking the high and the low of the previous candle? So you said at what time of the day? So we said let me do a recap here. Let me do a whiteboard online here. Let me just do a whiteboard online here so that I can show you guys. Let me do a whiteboard online here. Because we said, guys, if you want to trade news, if you want to trade news, if you want to trade news, what you do is, let's say it's 4:30 p.m. 4:30 p.m. It's a news. 4:30 p.m. we have maybe CPI. Let's say, for example, we have CPI at 4:30 p.m. Welcome you all guys to the meeting. I welcome you all guys to the meeting. I welcome all of you guys to the meeting, guys. So we said if the news is 4:30 p.m. like last week, we had for CPI at 4:30 p.m. So what are you going to do? What are you going to do to trade that news? So we said uh, we identified the 415 candle, 4:15 p.m. candle. So this is what we are going to do. Are you together, guys? We're going to identify the 4:15 p.m. candle, and we identify the high. So here we're gonna be setting here our our buy stop order. I think I explained last week. I think I was able to explain last week what is a buy stop. So a buy stop, it is an order to buy above the current market price. Are you together, guys? It is an order to buy above the current market price. Okay, then we can set a sell stop order below that candle like this. We have a sell stop. Then we wait for where the market is going to break. So this order, the two orders which you have here, it is pending order. Are we together, guys? These two orders are pending orders. Are we together, guys? Those two orders are pending orders. These are called pending orders. So it's a pending order. So wait for the news at 4:30 p.m. So these things, you set the high and low of the day at least 2 minutes before the news. 2 minutes before the news. Yeah, just set your buy stop order and your sell stop order 2 minutes before the news, guys. Just set 2 minutes before the news. Then you wait. Will if the news will occur positive, break above the high like this. Let me rub it so that it can be clear. So let's say for example, these are news at 4:30. These are 4:15 p.m. candle like this. So you have set here your buy stop and you have set your sell stop here. So if the market is going to break high of Asia like this, high of that candle like this,